Wow. Hey guys, look. It's snowing like crazy. Outside is white. So just leave the restaurant. That's the restaurant. Earl's Kitchen and Bar. We just left there and look, it's white outside. It's snowing like crazy. So right now it's over about, we actually have about 3 centimeters of snow right now. And it's gonna be a bad night tonight. Lots of snowing. See, it's white out here. Snowing everywhere. Snowing everywhere. Welcome back to my channel, guys. You can find me at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. You have your snow brush? Okay, let me clean the snow. I can do it. It's in the car. You sure? Okay, look, guys. Snowing in Metro Toronto area. In case you don't know what snow look like, it's snow. Look at the car. Look at the windshield. Look, snow. Oh, I forgot to put up your thing there. Look, snow. Look, white like crazy. Where's the brush? Okay. Yeah. Snow, 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 snow everywhere. Look on the ground. Look on the ground. Snow, snow, snow. Coming down like crazy tonight. Saturday night. Get the car. Snow everywhere. Look at the road. So if you don't have any occasion out here tonight, don't come out. That's what they would say. Always broadcast it on the radio. Just stay home. Stay home if you don't have to. Then go inside the car. Wow. Okay. It was nice and warm. Snow, snow, snow outside. Crazy weather. We're living in Toronto here, in North America. Gonna have snow like this. I'm just beating the snow off the seat because when you open the door, the snow came on the inside. Came on the inside. That's what happened. So, see the window. Sorry for the visibility, Lord, guys. But just snow on the windshield. Just clean the camera. Okay, so we finished the cleaning and we are getting ready to go now. We have about 15 to 20 minutes drive from here to our destination. Snow, snow, and this snow is gonna be all night, I think, in some places. So there is a weather advisory started from 7:39 until 6 a.m. tomorrow, Sunday morning, 6 a.m. So, weather advisory that if you don't have to go anywhere tonight, stay home and get off the road. Dad, can you not walk when I'm driving? It's actually distracting. Wow, road is covered with snow. see that a lot of people get off the road.
Yeah, it's about 25 minutes to get home.
Yeah, the time goes so fast. It's about like after 9 now. So we are actually 3 hours so far. It's amazing.
You're in a break.
It's amazing how the time goes fast. You're making it right here?
Just so I can like go through the lights properly.
Oh, okay.
Actually, no, I don't have to. I can keep going. Oh. Keep going straight.
When you go to the next light, you can make a right and just
I'm
go
just
home.
following the GPS, so whatever the GPS tells me.
Right, because that one, that's.
I just know that the highway is back there,
Yeah,
so I was gonna go.
yeah. What
that
I'm
way.
saying, what I'm saying, this way is the West
Yeah,
Mall. So
I know,
if you
and
go
that's
up,
what the GPS is also.
yeah, so you can just go up there and pick up the highway back later on too. Right.
These roads are awful.
Yeah. And, you know, I take your time, get home safe. It's gonna get worse later on too, because they're not gonna clean it now, and until like way
Not
in
until
the
it settles.
yeah. That they're talking about like overnight, way overnight. But at least a lot of people take the money. A lot of people get off the road.
When I used to work at Sherry Gardens,
Yeah.
this is the way I first got my car.
Oh, okay.
Before I started driving the highway, I used to take this back road to get here.
I remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember.
I worked at some last time.
Yeah. Because when I used to work at my former job, that's where I used to do a lot of. I used to in this area a lot too. Most of them are twice a week.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. See, it's a good thing. Like when you see like the road now, it's quiet. You don't find a lot of cars. It's better for you. You don't have to encounter with a lot of cars, so you can just
Go at your own pace.
yeah. And here says like 2 lanes, but it coming like one now, eh?
Yeah, well, I know.
Yeah, with the snow.
Can't even see what's what.
Yeah. Metro. It's the Metro Food Depot. Metro Food Depot. It's where they distribute a lot of food. And then the trucks would take it all over the place. Your heat is on?
Yes.
Okay. Snowy night in Metro Toronto. You should just go straight up and down, and then you take it up further up. Yeah. That way you get away from a lot of traffic. The West Mall Drive. Got the cars covered with snow and the cars that park outside. She loves to clean snow. She's cleaning her snow. And it just began. There's another person there. Oh, a lot of them out cleaning their snow. They like cleaning snow. Chilani Leap Edge.
This intersection is so much more busier. I don't know.
Well, I guess it's off the highway and, but keep going straight same way.
Still need to turn here.
Go straight.
I can't. Lights might have to change.
Yeah, just go straight. You go to Burnham Tarp. See guys, the intersection. Dundas and West Mall Drive. Car making a left. See lots of snow. That's the bus. Toronto bus. Green light. Toronto bus. This is what snow driving look like. We're in the building. Welcome to Toronto, Canada, guys. Where it's snowing all night. At the next light now, that's Burnham Tarp. You make right.
I'm with the GPS.
Good. Oh, there's a snow truck up there. Oh, that's nice. He's out early. I guess he's just salting, maybe not cleaning yet. Just spreading some salt. Burnham Tarp. Commercial building. Wow. See? Snow, 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 snow. It build up fast.
Thanks for suggesting this way.
Yeah, because it's the less car you can encounter with, all the better.
I just feel like the less twists and turns you need to make on the road, the better.
Well, as long as it's
Especially in this weather.
Mm.
And the less stops you have to come to.
Well, very much, yeah. Alright, take it easy on the ramp. And the ramp. See, we're going and round and the ramp, guys. Round and the ramp. Round and round and round. To connect the highway. Highway 427 North. And if you want, you can take Highway 27 up too.
Not doing that.
So you don't have to go on the fast 'cause this take us straight into 420 into 27 to Rexdale.
Yeah, no, I know.
Yeah.
I don't really want to do that.
Lots of snow.
Just make sure everybody knows this person's driving like both lanes.
Snowy night. The road is pretty not good. Take it easy.
I see.
So the condition on the road, guys. Barely can see the lane. This guy doesn't turn on
There's
his
no
light.
lanes. Nope.
Doesn't turn on his light.
Idiot. That's such a safety hazard.
Yeah,
Or his lights are low.
yeah. It doesn't turn on is the running light, the headlight here is the running light. You know, as soon as you turn on your car, that light comes on. But he normally now supposed to turn on his light officially. So he have lights at
Yeah,
the back.
you can really see him.
Yeah,
It's already low visibility out.
yeah. Dangerous too. Dangerous. Those guys can cause problems. So you see the snow truck on top of the bridge there with the blue lights. And there is some more snow plow there. They're cleaning the snow and salting the road. Those are the guys that clean the road, clean the highway. See the snow removal truck there? One, two, three, four of them. They're cleaning the snow. And they're doing a good job. Those guys they normally work all night sometimes. All night. See there? Cleaning the snow. See? Clean the snow. And the airport is over there to my left. So we're going north and the oncoming traffic there is going south. 427 north and south highway. Snowy night in Canada. Welcome back to my channel, guys. You can check me out at Life with Kenny underscore capital G. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And support me by subscribing to my channel. We're in the airport area. You find all the hotels. All the hotels and all kind of
One thing that's really dangerous that people are doing
stuff.
is coming over into lanes that you can barely see with no signal.
Yeah, you watch out for those people because if it's visibility is not good, and some people they drive very, very not professional, and you have to exercise as much as caution as possible. Holiday in hotel. 409 highway 409 eastbound. 427 north.
'Cause it's take over.
Yeah, that's why you should just stay on that.
Well, no, it's the considerate thing to do is move out the way so people can merge. But
But
because
you're
they're
ahead.
going no, because they're going slow, I had time.
Right.
Typically, there was no snow. You move over. That's the considerate thing to do.
Well, a lot of people stay off the road. You can tell. If it was for that, the road would be jammed. Make it better for who out here. And the snow cleaners so they can clean the road properly. And they always love it like that when there is not a lot of people on the road. So they can plow it. Okay. Snowing all night. Exit. Red light. There's a vehicle down there. It's the four-way on or it's a signal right.
I can't see.
His light was signaling like he's making a right, and I saying to myself,
This light?
yeah, and I saying to myself, why would he have his signal to make a right there? It's not. It's the highway. He can't go on the highway.
It's probably four-way. Probably a mistake.
Yeah, so I was saying I don't know if it's the four-way or the flashing light there, signal or one of them, because I couldn't see the other side. Okay, okay. Houses, townhouses, snow, cars covered with
That's
snow.
the right turning lane.
Well, just watch out for him because you know, like he's not sure
I
where
know
he's going.
that.
And there's another one like him wanna cut over too.
My G? Like, stay on your side. It's not hard. Study the road.
Shell gas station. Okay, guys, so we're off the highway now. We're on a side street, and as you can see, the place is like covered with snow. And this is not really bad yet.
Even though people are driving like it is.
Well, the whole point about it, snow like this, you have to adjust your driving.
I understand that.
You have to.
But some people are also very dramatic.
Yeah.
For Canadian, it's been worse.
Because braking is essential now. Distance is essential. Everything is essential. So, as you know, that everybody's not the same. So some people never, that you will find some people that never drive in snow yet. Some people never used to, you know, they don't know how to navigate themselves in snow. So like when you come out here, you have to expect those kind of people and make sure you have to adjust yourself to us because there's a lot of dysfunctionality out here. And one mistake you make can cause history, and nobody want that. Because tomorrow morning you wake up and you hear the report, the OPP, they will tell you, gonna hear how many accidents happen between tonight and tomorrow, and a lot of them could be avoided. Wow, this guy cleaning his snow. See, he's not wait until tomorrow morning. They start from tonight, and it's still coming down. And we never get this kind of snow all in December, eh? No, February, but January and February are always like unpredictable. Okay, guys, thank you for watching my video and always coming back to my channel. I really appreciate that. Give the video a like and subscribe to my channel, support me, and share and hit the notification bell. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go now. Until the next one, peace out to you and blessings to you all. Have a good night, a good day wherever you are. And thank you very much. And see you in the next one. Blessings.